In today's video, I'll be showing you how to cancel a Creative Fabrica subscription. Now this can be done on your mobile phone or on your PC, so it doesn't actually matter which device you're using, but the first thing you want to do is just head over to Creative Fabrica's website. From here, you want to make sure you are logged into your account, and when you are logged in, you'll be able to see this My Profile section at the top. So we can hover over this, and then we just want to go down to where it says My Account. From there, you'll be taken to this account section over here, but we want to go down to this one that says Subscription. So we can click on Subscriptions, and this will show us all of our active subscriptions. So from there, it will look something like this, and at the bottom, you'll be able to see this section that says Actions, and then if you go along, you can click the text that says Cancel Subscription. You'll then see this page, and it will tell you everything that you will lose with your subscription, but if you're happy to lose all this stuff, you can go ahead and click End Subscription down here. Once you've done that, you will have successfully cancelled your subscription, and you'll see this message that will confirm that, and it will also say when you will have access to your subscription till. So that is how you can cancel your Creative Fabrica subscription. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.